Yoga plays a vital role in boosting up the immunity and releasing the mental stress. As part of the Pranayam series, Medley Magics has brought to you two pranayamas, Anulom Vilom and Brahmari. The links to the videos are given in the description. In this video, the immunity boosters and stress relievers Surya Bedan and Chandra Bedan are being introduced. Surya Bedan is a warming pranayama. It is the breath work focused on one nostril, the right. Surya refers to the right nostril of the nose, which is connected to Pingala Nadi of the body. Bedan means pierce or pass through.
Steps to practice Surya Bedan. We can sit either in Padmasan or Ardha Padmasan. In this video, we are showing you the meditation position in Ardha Padmasan. Now, slowly raise your right hand and keep the position as shown in the video. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale with your right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Bend your head such that your chin touches your collarbone. Retain the air. Slowly raise your head up. Remove your ring finger from your left nostril and slowly exhale the air. This completes one round of Surya Bedan. Let's move on to the second round. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Slowly inhale the air through your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Bend your head such that your chin touches the collarbone. Retain the air. Slowly raise your head. Remove your ring finger from your left nostril and exhale through your left nostril. Now, come to the original meditation position and relax. Concentrate on breathing.
Chandra Bedan is a single nostril breathing technique. The left. Chandra refers to the moon, or the syllable which represents cooling or calming sensation in the body's energy field.
Now, let's see the steps to practice Chandra Bedan. The sitting position and hand position will remain same as in Surya Bedan. Slowly raise your right hand. Now, close your right nostril with your thumb. Slowly inhale through your left nostril. Now, close your left nostril with the ring finger. Bend your head. Retain the air. Slowly raise your head up. Remove your thumb from the right nostril. Slowly exhale the air. This completes one round of Chandra Bedan. Let's move on to second round. Slowly inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with the ring finger. Bend your head. retain the air. Slowly raise your head up. Remove your thumb from your right nostril and exhale through right nostril. Now, slowly bring your hand to the original meditation position and relax. Concentrate on breathing.
Benefits of Surya Bedan and Chandra Bedan. Surya Bedan activates the body and bodily functions. It also increases the digestion. Surya Bedan destroys all the diseases that are caused due to oxygen inefficiency. Chandra Bedan reduces the body heat and also helps in burning problems of the heart. We have seen how to practice Surya Bedan and Chandra Bedan. Now it's your turn to practice it and stay healthy. Stay home, stay safe. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.